Alright guys, this is in continuation of the Alveo U55C. Um, we already unboxed. Okay. So earlier we have a video of unboxing the Alveo and installing on the Dell workstation, and we already installed the driver, XRT driver, development deployment tools. Now we're gonna flash the board which is mounted on it. So first of all, I would like to mention a few things. Give me a second. Let me close this. Yep. Right. So, what was I thinking? Okay. Yeah. So this is one of the installation guide that we were following, and we had multiple um, documents which we followed while installation of the cards, and these were the list of softwares that is necessary. For example, we chose 2023 as right now I have one second. Okay, yeah. So as I have right now I have 2023 installed, 2024 and 2020. I'm going to go for 2023, and that's what we did earlier to install the softwares, and we did follow the steps, and definitely we have some modifications on top of this because, for example, this EPL, the RHEL 7.9 is discontinued, so it's no longer in this web page in this location. So I changed, and even this link right here, the base URL. We have to change all those things. We did change that, and those tutorial will be available right here in this tutorial, and you can find commands on the description below right here. Yeah. And also link doesn't exist, and the new pointer is right here, as you can see. Like, click here. Yep, so these are the packages, report data. Yep, as you can see, this and similarly the other link does not exist. This does not. Yeah, so we have to go here and download all the files. So the tutorial was about this XRT installation and other stuff, which is shown right here. XRT deployment target tools. I believe there are 4 RPM files, and the development target platform. Yep. So once we installed all these 3, and I would like to mention one important note right here. So as you can see, we have just one file linked over here, which is right here. Yep, but this is old one. I've changed this to new one, which will be found. You won't be able to find this file in the new link. Sorry, in the old link here. In this case, is the new one, so you can find it here. Yeah, so after the installation, the first thing that I would like to mention one important thing before we proceed, which is Yeah, so if we go to 2024 Red Hat 7, yeah, there are multiple, you know, RPM files. So this is the one, and I found that all of them are same, except one of them is missing, which is the SC, which is the satellite controller. So I have to update this file name with this, and it will be located here. Yeah, as you can see here. Yeah, and this was not available on the page, so I changed it. And moreover, if you see this, yeah, for U55 there are only one file, right? So that's the only file that you can use, and others it's the same. So what I would suggest is, I believe base 3 is repeated, right? Let's see, Control CF. Yeah. So instead of running just this, in case of 2023 and below versions, we were running only this command, right? And I could run the whole whole command right here, and I believe it's already updated in the description of the video. Let's have a quick check. Yeah. So for Viva the 2024 days, run this instead. Okay. Cool. And what else? Yeah, so that's all regarding XRT. So this is still about some XRT deployment, development, installation. Um, which was this XRT deployment development. Once we're done with this, that's where the actual tutorial is about for today. I'm going to quickly run some few commands. This is one of the first things that I would like to check. And if you see, let me exit from root user. And if I run the same command, it will be much less, So right now I have installed all the, so basically today the video is about flashing the firmware on the card, right? I already did that, but still I'm gonna show you. So if we see this, yeah, so this is without root access, and this is with root, and this is after flashing the card, yeah, right? So as you can see, this is before flashing and non-root, before flashing root, and this is after flashing root. So now we have new sections right here, CA001, right? Otherwise, I believe they are both they're same. Yeah, yes, they are. Okay, so that is one thing. So I'm expecting you to get this before you flash the card. All right. Then I'm gonna source this. Wait, let me go to super user. I'm gonna source this file right here, right? And let's check whether we are able to see the executables. And XRT files are located here. Let me open a new tab. CD XRT. Yeah, so this was the file that I was sourcing, and if you go to bin, this is where I was um, launching, right? Just now it was xputil. Yeah. So you can even, without sourcing, you can directly go to this location and then run xputil. Yeah, it's the same, but I would suggest to source this file. All right. What else? Okay, so this is one of the things that I would definitely run. Um, so okay, I'm gonna have to run this way. Yeah. So this is after after I flash the board, right? Before you flash the board, I'm gonna definitely see something like this. So over here, yeah. So zero device found. Okay. So that's the expected result, right? Other than that, everything's same. Yeah. Now we can see this port has been detected. Since I've already flashed the driver. Yeah, and I did. Yeah, so I did post this issue on the Xilinx community, Alveo community, and yeah, device zero, and I did search for some. If you go to this link, so when I was running the command, this this command, it says zero device found. So I start searching for this issue, and this is what I found. This is one of the link that is useful. So Alveo debug guide, if you see, if you scroll down and XRT troubleshooting, I guess. Yeah, and if you scroll down, driver not installed, no card found. Yeah, so this is the issue, right? So there was some advice to, uh, uninstall, reinstall XRT and go for the latest XRT. So I did that, but that was not the issue. So if you want to go for the latest XRT, um, so for example, this is what 2.17. Um, so I was going to 9 and then 2.173. Wait, what did I download? Let's quickly check. XRT 2.16, 2.15. Okay. Yeah, so this is already the uh, latest driver, right? So 2018, if you go here, 7. Uh, yeah, so this is 2.16. Yeah, 2024, that's 7. 2.17. Yeah, so 2.17 is the latest. I did try to um, install this. So first you need to uninstall the XRT. To do that is straightforward. So yum, yeah. So you just need to run this command to remove, and then to install, you just need to run. Let me copy this. here. All right, so we just need to run this command, and it will reinstall the new version. So 2.16 was old, and you can change it to 2.17. And I found that that was not the issue. Like um, so that was the solution. Download latest XRT, reinstall, blah blah. Um, so I posted on Xilinx community, and and so for new card, it has a golden image, um, and the new card definitely won't be flashed yet, so enhanced it won't be recognized. So this is the one that I posted. Let me open this right here. Yep, so this is where I posted. So explain util examine, examine. So it's your device found, and try removing and installing the latest XRT, which I did. Kernel version. One thing that I should mention is um, about the system requirement. Is it this one? No. Yeah, system requirement. So the Linux kernel has to be 3.10 plus. Very important. Yeah. So I checked, and it's kernel 3.10 by running this command right here, and the card is detected. So this was before installation and before flashing the firmware, and the answer was like correct, golden image. Yeah, so this was the um, suggestion, and which I did try it already earlier. Yeah, so this is one of the debugging link that I was referring to. I think we already visited this link. No card. Okay, I was curious what the golden image means, and when I ran the command which was suggested here, uh, this is what it shows, which is completely fine. And this is one important thing that we will come back here. Flashable partition running on FPGA, flashable partition running in system. None found. This SC version, the satellite control version, is very important. Even the platform, they have to match. Um, so the one of the main thing that I would note here is where's that? Yeah, most of the golden image that resides in a lock section of the card flash is a very simple design that card can boot from. Let's this is this beneficial of new card for example situation where the card flash has a partial or corrupted image in it. Fall back and boot from, which is cool. TF4 communicate. I wanted to highlight. Yeah, this is the important one. Additionally, once you have deployment platform installed into the host, you will see a list under the Flashable partition. So deployment platform, uh, and this is the section that is referred to, and deployment platform is coming from once we install this, right? So the 4 RPM files which is inside this tar. Yeah. So I already ran all these commands. Let's visit. We were at remove. Okay. So we have RHEL2 here. was just installation screenshot, nothing much. Yeah, this was the one that we ran. um, right now everything will be sold up. um, yeah, and because the driver was not installed at the time. All and get this the same thing. Yeah, this was one of the debug steps, I guess, to try it, and it will be in one of the link. So over here, yeah, it will be one of the link anyway, so leave it, not important. Now, all right, then this is also XOCL. I think this was related to kernel. And again, installing RPM, trying various versions. As you can see, I'm trying on 2.17 XRT as well. Yeah, this was to check the kernel, whether it's LS3.10 plus. And I think this was one of the debug procedure, which will be again one of the link. Which will be in one of the link. And yeah, so this is where actually the flashing starts. Yeah, so once XRT is installed, the deployment, development, everything is installed. Now it's time to flash. And so we want a management PDF, not the user PDF. For example, if I run this management PDF, we're going to get this right here. And if we run xputil examine, we're going to get this PDF right here. So it's the same except the last digit right here. One is 0 for management and one is 1 for the user. We want the 0, which is the management PDF. And we're going to run this command because I've already sourced. I don't need to go to this directory. Base device, the management PDF image base 2. And in my case, if you see here in the, I have not installed base 2. If you see on top, they're all base 3, right? Yeah, so I'm going to run this command right here. Let me run this in front of you. Devices up to the no flashing to perform. Yeah, so I've already flashed the device. I wish I can show. It takes quite a while for the first flash, and this is how it looked like. It's asked for proceed yes or no. Once you click yes, bitstream guard, and then this dot dot will keep on increasing, and it will take a couple of minutes. Once it is done, device flashed successfully, and you get some report, blah blah. And you need to put the machine shut down, unplug the power cable, and replug in, turn on the device. Yeah. And you're gonna find this device. Now once you do that, yeah, and when you run this command right here, xp util main, you can get yeah, this again, yeah, right here. So this will be board will be successfully detected, device will be successfully detected in both the case, which is cool, good. And here in this section, we're going to have, as I mentioned earlier, two sections right here, 0 and 1. And there'll be one issue. It's very common issue where you get the SC version mismatch. Like for example, if you run XP management, examine the device, you're gonna see something like this under this Flashable partition run on FPGA, Flashable partition run in system. If you see it's mismatched, right? This is fine. Platform is fine. Battery is low. Give me a second. Yeah. This is fine. The problem with this, the problem is in SC version. If you can see here, so there is a release note to debug SC mismatch. I'll directly go to the solution. You just need to rerun the same command to program the device. And this will detect the current version, SC version, which is 7.17, right here, right, which we installed. Then it's gonna, when you proceed yes, it's gonna upgrade and to 7.1.22, which is the latest one, right? So now after flashing and after upgrading, this is what it is. But yeah, you need a warm boot. In this case, you just restart the system. That's all is required. And once you are done with that, if you run the same command right here, it will match the exact value, the SC version value under this two section. Yep, and I think that's all for today. So this was mainly about flashing the device, and updating the SC satellite control, updating the flash, Yeah, that's all for today. Ciao guys.